Right, just to show you how much stuff dehydrates down, each of these jars, by the way, is 2 portions, 2 adult portions. So that's the salmon, that's the ham, that's the buffalo meat, that is the mixed veg, the turkey, plain boiled rice, that's a savoury rice with peppers and peas, or a flavoured rice I should say. That's the little prawns or shrimps, whatever you want to call them, and this is the sweet potato. So each of these will make 2 adult portions, and later on today I'll be making them up into meals.